the indicated nth root or roots of a. Here we have the nth root, so that's the cube root of a negative 27, which or could be written as a negative 27 to the 1/3 power. Okay, so what number times itself gives me a negative 27? Since this is odd, there's only one real nth root, and that would be a negative 3. Because negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 equals a negative 27. So my answer is a negative 3 for part A. For part B, we want the fourth root of 16. Now, here they're asking us to find the nth root or roots. And since the n is even and the number underneath the radical is a positive number, there are going to be two roots. And those two roots are 2 or negative 2. Again, as we showed on the last slide, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 16. But so is negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. So that's why we could write it as plus or minus 2 as our nth roots. Okay. Now, here we're asked to evaluate. And when they have these, now we must use just the sign that they want that's given to us. So in this case, in part A, it's an odd index, so there's only going to be one root. And what's the cube root of a negative 8? Is a negative 2. Because again, negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. And when I have the cube root of that, those end up being just a negative 2. In the letter B, we want just the negative root of the cube root of 8. So again, it's the cube root of 8. But again, 8 could be 2 times 2 times 2. So we take the pair, those three, one number comes out, and it's a negative 2 because of the negative on the outside. C, we want the fourth root of 16. Again, here, that's just the number 2. And here we have the fourth root of a negative 16. And again, remember, we can't take the even root of a negative number, so there are no real roots.